Hi, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today we're going to do this ornament mold that I got from Temu, and I've got this glitter. It's so pretty. It's got all different kinds of colors in there, but mainly silver. We're going to use that. It's the #1 from Temu. And I also have my resin mixed up. It's the Janshun. Well, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put a little bit of this glitter in the resin. Just a little bit. I don't want a lot because it'll overtake the ornament. And stir it. No, I need to stir it in real good. Try not to get too many bubbles, even though the bubbles won't make a big deal with the glitter in there. See, I just got a little bit in there, just enough to make it glittery. Okay, pour it nice and slow. The slower you pour it, the less bubbles you can get in there usually. But I like to take my little dotting tool right here and get in all the little corners to try to make sure when I remember. You know, half the time I don't even remember. But you get in the corners there to release those bubbles on the 90-degree angles. It makes life a lot easier. And that way you don't have to worry about fixing it later. If you get them out now, you won't have to worry about them later. I'm going to go ahead and spray it with my 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop some of those bubbles, if any. And finish filling it up. As you can see, I've sped it up a little bit there. So you didn't have to watch me do or take my time doing it. I'm just going over and making sure I got enough in all the little points. I'm going to spray it again with my 91% isopropyl alcohol, and then we'll see it when it comes to demolding. Hey guys, it's demolding day. Let's go ahead and demold this lovely ornament. It was really good. I don't have any kind of overpour, which is really good for me. Oh, that turned out beautiful. I think I want to go ahead and try to bling it up a little bit, because it's beautiful like this, but can you imagine with a few rhinestones it would look like? Let's see. Let me just see first. Get my pen. Oh yeah, that would work brilliantly. Okay, we're going to go ahead and bling it up a little bit. First time I've used my leaf. Okay, let's get this started. That looks pretty. Just enough, but not too much. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe, share, and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.